Hi, I'm Chamud Vijayanaika. I'm a professional mathematics teacher. So the method which we discuss in this video is, I'm pretty sure that's the shortest, the easiest, the smartest method you've ever heard of to get the multiples of two-digit numbers. So watch the video, learn the method, and use the method. And don't forget to leave me comments and get subscribed to my channel, Chamudi Vijayanaika. Okay, let's start with the multiples of 18. In 18, the last digit is 8. So that means, first of all, you need to write down the multiples of 8. Okay, starting with 8. Now we're going to write down the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and finally that is 80. Okay, so the next thing is to write down 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So here that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally that is 10. Okay, in the next part, we need to add the two numbers, this one and the first digit here. So here we cannot see any digit at the front, so we put 0 here. So first of all, we need to add this 1 and this 0, so that is 1. And the last digit comes here, so that is 18. We have to do the same thing for the next one. So here we have to add this 1 plus this 2, that is 3. And this last digit comes here, so the second multiple of 18 is 36. With the same method for the third one, we add this 3 plus this 2, so that is 5. And this last digit 4 comes here. So the third multiple of 18 is 54. For the next one, we just have to add this 4 and this 3. So that is 7. And this 2 comes here. So that is 72. For the next one, this 5 plus this 4, that is 9. And the 0 comes here. So that is 90. Then for the next one, 6 plus 4, that is 10. And then this 8 comes here. So it becomes 108, 108. Okay, then 7 plus this 5. So that is 12. 12 and this 6 comes here. That is 126. Then for the next one, 8 plus this 6. That is 14. And this 4 comes here. That is 144. And for the next one, 9 plus this 7. That is 16. And this 2 comes here. So that should be 162. And finally, this 10 plus this 8, so that is 18. And this 0 comes here, so that should be 180. Yeah, so then that's all about the multiples of 18. Then we'll discuss the multiples of 13. In 13, the last digit is 3. So that means, first of all, we need to write down the multiples of 3. Here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, then 27, and finally that should be 30. After that, writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here 0, 0, 0. Then adding this 2, so 1 plus 0 is 1, and this 3 comes here, so the first one is 13. Then this 2 plus this 0, that is 2, and this 6 comes here, so that is 26. Next is to add this 3 and this 0, so that is 3, and here that is 9. 4 plus 1, 5. Here, this 2 comes here, that is 52. Then 5 plus 1, that is 6, and this 5 comes here, so 65. 6 plus 1, that is 7, and with this 8, that is 78. Here. 7 plus this 2, that is 9, and this one comes here, so that should be 91. Next is to add 8 and this 2, so that is 10, 1, 0, then finally this should be 4. Here, 9 plus 2 is 11, and this 7 comes here, so that becomes 117. And finally, 10 plus this 3 is 13, and the 0 comes here, so the last multiple or the 10th multiple of 13 is 130. And then that's all about the multiples of 13. Let's get our last example, that is 16. In 16, the last digit is 6, and now you know the first thing we have to do is to write the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and finally that should be 60. After that, writing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then put 0 here and 1 plus the 0, that is 1, and this 6 comes here, so that is 16. This 2 plus this 1, that is 3, and here this 2 comes, so 32. 3 plus 1, that is 4, and with this 8, that should be 48. Next, 4 plus 2, 6, and here 4, 64. 5 plus 3, that is 8, and here this 0, 80. Then here 6 plus this 3, that is 9, and here this 6 comes, so that should be 96. Here 7 plus 4, that is 11, and this 2 comes here, so that is 112. Here 8 plus this 4 is 12, and this 8 comes here, so that is 128. Here 9 plus 5, so that is 114, and this 4 comes here, so that should be 144. And finally, this 10 plus this 6 is 16, and this 0 comes here, so the 10th multiple of 16 is 160. Yeah, so then that's all about the multiples of 16. I'm pretty sure that's very easy. This method is very easy and short for all of you guys. So the method which I described in this video can be used for you guys to find out the multiples of any number from 10 to 20. I believe this method will help you a lot in math. So don't forget to like this video and get subscribed to my channel, Chamodi Vijayanayake.